Hello friends, this is V-code stabilizer. The model is VG50. In this stabilizer, the stabilizer is flickering. Flickering means it is the relay of the stabilizer is flickering inside, and the output supply is flickering. Okay, and this is having the time delay, and I removing all the cabinet screws. Now it is set is on, but the relay is flickering. Okay, we remove the screws of this stabilizer, and this stabilizer is using for the refrigeration purpose. Here is the board, and the output LED is flickering. Why this is flickering? The output relay is there. That relay is not getting sufficient voltage for that relay. For that purpose, the relay is flickering. The voltage is not getting for the relay sufficiently. For that purpose, the relay is flickering. Trrr, trrr, trrr. Okay. Now I tracing the relay circuit, and I seen some anything is loose contacts is I am tracing. There is no loose contact at all. Here is the relay capacitor is to be changed because the sufficient voltage is not getting for that relay. We trace the circuit, and which is the capacitor is related to that relay. Okay, here is the capacitor. This is the circuit. This capacitor is, I think this capacitor is dry. Okay, this all our capacitor is to be good. Good means it is working properly. Firstly, we change the capacitor of this relay. Let's see what happened. Okay, this is all the relay coil. Okay, this is the capacitor. We're removing this capacitor. and carefully we did the work. The capacitor value is, let's see the capacitor, then we prefer which capacitor is to be putting. See, this capacitor is, we clean the board, remove the lid of that capacitor circuit. I seen this is 25 volt and 47 MFD. Okay, can we put the capacitor? I didn't get for 47 MFD 25 volt. We have the 100 MFD 25 volt capacitor. See here, 25 volt 100 MFD capacitor, and we must see the positive and negative of the capacitor is to be properly. The solder is to be putting for that leads and cut the extra leads, and I put the mains wire to the main supply. The input LED is glowing and the output is coming late because the time delay is there 2 to 4 minutes. Now the output is not getting when I put another capacitor is to be checked, and see, now it is output is flickering, and another capacitor, these are the dry solder, and this capacitor is to be doubt. This is also a 147 mft 25 volt capacitor, but I am changing 100 mft 25 volt capacitor, and the positive negative leads are to be carefully I soldered. Now I put the supply for the mains. Now it is delay time is running. Now the LED of this stabilizer is to be on. See, now it is flickering is correct. Now it is there is no flickering in the relay, and output is good. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you once again. Thank you very much. I put the screws of this cabinet, and after that fitting, I check the stabilizer. The input is on, and the output of this LED is now getting on. Okay, see this. Now the output is coming in the stabilizer. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe my channel. Here is I changing two capacitors. That capacitor is to be must be changed in the stabilizer for flickering the stabilizer complaint. Thank you. Thank you very much.